Cheke, eke group ya Sabina Cheke, na nese ne group ya Kiodi Uhuru on one side, but we report all the time. Jubilee actually was in court because of faction in Chibere. By the time Amalieta were forwarded, nominated as candidates to represent parties, Jubilee didn't have a national elections board, courtesy of Evineviabo. So technically and legally, they could not have fronted a candidate. The moment they go front without
an endorsement,
an NEB, National Elections Board, PEO, someone can challenge it in court and definitely will be struck out. So, Chris, actually, just before, was actually a Jubilee registered member. But when we realized there's that loophole, we had to look for other alternatives. That is why we settled in a Tigatori UPA na PDP. We front our candidates based on that as we wait for court ruling and restructuring of Jubilee, which now has happened, and very soon officials our leader now was a deputy party leader. That's a good step. One positions, restructure, and we expect at least one powerful position. So going forward, the party Matiangi is Jubilee. That one, any doubt. The party will be Jubilee.
How do you handle these other parties? One, I saw you campaigning for an annual candidate all the places.
Yes.
Actually, the one month of every might be able to see PDP in Kiatachungu, na UP in Kiatachungu. Then here comes Jubilee. So like one so-called quote-unquote domestic parties.
This was a by-election. A by-election was to carry a given message. The message was Matiangi. The message was not about the parties. The message was actually, and together in all my speeches, only was not one any party. I had one message to sell. It was also okay, Matiangi. Abana wa Matiangi, Jubilee nyumba ya enga bwate kina, tiangi otumika. Tuachete kando gaisa ya mumro minto, no tobe geta abana aba, ende myaka kiekire, tukole ceremony abana aba bamura, neri twangokorera mwendo buyane, magosa tayo. But one enyumba yane kina ya bwate, kiaire enyumba yane is ready. We'll work from that, and Ibiama Beyonce, Ibiama and the we'll work together. We'll move together. Yeah, we'll move forward together. I don't think any party leader can complain about the Jubilee. He's very positive about Matiangi's presidency, and he's ready to ensure he does his best Matiangi to win. The same thing with Nyari. He was trying to sing, so sometimes I don't judge him on that. Desperation sometimes calls for very desperate measures. So I don't think Ntomohan is anti-Matiangi. I really don't agree with that. Unless I reveal that side. He has not said it.
Because this, and it's good you wrote about maybe. I'm sure I'm quite part of the negotiations before Javete. There was that argument, and was adamant to field candidates by UPA in all the wards, which he did. Because, for example, I am told.
First of all, I was in all the negotiations.
Yeah.
I was in all the negotiations. That is why at first, before no explanation of Jubilee and the challenges it was having, I was hesitant to support any UPA candidate or anybody carrying the flag of UPA. I was quite hesitant. But the community comes before personal interest. At that point, what the issue was, I had to put the community first, not my personal feelings or personal interests. So that is the point now. At this point, let us save the image. We'll deal with the rest later. As I've said, Fred Matiangi is the deputy party leader of Jubilee. We'll follow his direction.
As a candidate, Cheyega, and as you speak about it, our two governors seem to be taking a different position.
Right.
Korusi So you, and I think Mbabwati are significant.